Turn it up.
Si Hershey, nakilala ko siya high school. So, simula pa lang, masaya na siyang tao. So, kung kilala mo siya, isa siya sa mga malakas tumawa pag kilala mo siya.
But can I take a leap with you? Take a leap with you now.
Maliwanag ang buhay kay Chris! Nani! Sir, kala mo nakalimutan ko. Ate, sa'yo to.
Get any higher.
In fairness, parang naligo ka. First day pa lang, crush ko na siya. Hindi, kasi bago siya sa school. So, parang, para sa mata ko, umangat talaga siya.
4 years ko siyang kaklase, tapos may connection pala kami ni Hershey. Though si Hershey naman ay first crush ko siya nung high school talaga. First year pa lang.
This life's coming up soon. But baby, hey, don't you know that we can go so high? Oh, we can go.
Para sa ultimate bebe boy ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Sabi sa nabasa kong wall decoration, a recipe for a happy home, 4 cups of love, 2 cups of loyalty, 3 cups of forgiveness, blah 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 blah. Ang corny, ang daming ingredients. Hindi ako naniniwala dyan. Kasi para sa akin, ang perfect recipe for a happy home, simple lang. Yung may spoonful of Crispapang and 68 kilograms of Hershey and Real. Yan. Yan ang perfect na pang Hershey.
Up top, reaching, up top, reaching, up top, reaching, up top, we can go so high.
Ako magbabasa. Ako yung Bebe. Bebe, excited na. Oo. See you later. Magpapogi ka lang dyan. Love you. Mwah. Bebe girl.
Hershey, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa ni Chris na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at malituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
We can go so higher. So higher. Go, 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 go.
Hi, Hershey, my love, my baby girl. I wanted to give you something that symbolizes how much I cherish every word you say and every moment we share. I promise to always focus on what truly matters, you and our journey together.
Hi, Hershey. My love. My Bebe girl. More than half ng buhay natin, magkakilala na tayo. It's been 12 years simula nung magkagustuhan tayo. And 7 years as boyfriend and girlfriend. Looking back at those years, ang saya isipin, di ba? At syempre, hindi naging madali sa una kasi nga mga bata pa tayo nun. But now, here we are, stepping into a new chapter as husband and wife.
Further down the shoreline, heartbeats.
Ay, to my parents, ma, thank you. Lagi ka nandyan. Literal, pati paglalaba, pagluluto, kahit ano, ginagawa ni mama para sa akin. Ngayon, it's my turn to give that to my family. Sa papa ko naman, salamat. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat at nandito ka.
Your eyes staring into mine.
thank you sa pagiging mabait, responsible, saka mabuting nanay at mga kapatid. Kapatid silang kapatid. Love you, Nak. Congrats.
Skin against my own skin.
Ang pag-aasawa ay hindi lamang ordinaryong kasunduan. Marriage is a covenant. Mayroong sagradong pangako sa bawat isa.
I promise to always listen kahit magkaaway tayo, to always communicate openly kahit magkaaway tayo, and to always strive to be the best husband you deserve kahit magkaaway tayo. I promise to never take our love for granted and to always remember the journey na nagdala sa atin dito.
Feel it all.
Yung may Hershey na taga-bunot ng puting buhok ni Chris, yung may Chris na taga-kamot ng likod ni Hershey, yan ang bahay natin. Yung may Hershey na panikera, yung may Chris na taga-kalma, yan ang pinakagusto ko sa future home natin.
As we stand here today, I am filled with hope and excitement for our future together. I am excited to see the life has in store for us, and I am grateful to walk this journey with you.
Alam kong hindi ako dapat mag-alala kasi kasama kita. Sa araw na kailangan ko ng pahinga, isang yakap mo lang, yung pakiramdam ko, parang long weekend na. Kinakabahan ako sa araw na to, oo, pero hindi ako natatakot kasi siguradong sigurado ako. As the very famous and catchy song goes, Jumbo Hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Oo, bebe, kayang-kaya natin to.
I remember